welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to Murrayville, Georgia to pick up old, basically abandoned 1984 Chevy C10. It's been sitting for a while. The dude that sold it to me, his grandfather passed away and it's just been sitting and rotting away. So let's go get this truck picked up and see if we can't get it cleaned up. Alright guys, so we're just pulling up to where the C10 is. Kind of a steep and sketchy driveway, so let's go ahead and get the truck back down to the truck. Alright guys, so we just made it down here to Murrayville, Georgia. Here's the truck. It's the 1984 Chevy C10. It's been sitting under this cover, and this cover looks like it's about to fall down. So let's get this truck loaded up on the trailer and get out of here. Alright guys, so it's already dark outside and we got the truck loaded up. It only took about 30-45 minutes, so let's go ahead and hit the road and we'll catch you guys back tomorrow. Alright guys, so we made it back here to the shop and I got the truck all unstrapped and I got the ramps put out. So let's go ahead and get this thing rolled off the trailer. Alright guys, I got it unloaded off the trailer and sitting right in front of the Mustang. Alright, let's go ahead and give a walk around of the truck. It is got a lot of leaves in it and it does need a lot of work, but let's go ahead and give this truck a walk around. Alright guys, so now that we got this truck back in the shop, or back to the shop, we're gonna go ahead and do a walk around. It needs a good clean. The bed's full of leaves, the truck's covered in moss and mold, but it's a pretty clean body overall and the paint should clean up. It's definitely gonna need some new tires and new suspension and just a lot of little things. Gonna get all the chrome polished on the mirrors, and when we come into the interior, the door panel straps are ripped off and overall, it's just needs a lot of work. Steering wheel's moldy. Gonna need a new seat. The dash panel looks really nice, but it's broken in a couple spots, so we're gonna get a new one of those. Have the factory radio in there still and AC controls. Dash is cracked, so we're also gonna need a new one of those. That door panel is a little bit better. Has the door strap and the cubby on the side, but definitely needs a good clean and a good amount of work. Let's go ahead, walk around. The Chevy badge or the Silverado badge is coming off. So it does have the factory bumper guards. and the hood emblem. Pop the hood here. Has the 5.0 V8 in it. Look at how big that alternator is. Definitely needs a good clean. Also gonna need new front suspension and new tires in the front. And then just needs a good wash and paint correction. Got a whole bunch of dirt in the doors, and same on the interior. This side just needs a lot of little things. All right, guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. It is a shorter video, but we went ahead and picked up the C10 in Murrayville, Georgia, and we did get this thing loaded on the trailer, dropped off at the shop, and did a quick walk around. But stay tuned for next video. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing completely detailed, and hopefully it'll look good as new. Stay tuned for that, and make sure y'all don't miss the next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and have a good one.